Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. 我是 Charlie. And in today's video, we're going to keep talking about HSK1 Standard Course Lesson 7, Part 2. And today we're going to talk about the texts in this unit. Alright, now let's look at the first test together. First of all, just listen to me. 请问今天几号？今天9月1号。今天星期几？星期三。Now, it's your turn to repeat after me. 请问今天几号？今天9月1号。今天星期几？星期三。Alright, so first of all, let's look at this expression. 请问 okay? 请问请问 means excuse me, okay? Excuse me. So usually, literally, 请问 means please ask. Because 请 means please, 问 means ask. So I will write the literally meaning here. Please and ask. So now you know these two characters, 请 please, 问 ask. But when we put them together, we have a new word, or let's say an expression, 请问, which means excuse me. Usually we say it when we have some question to ask, or when we just want to arouse people's attention. Yeah, 请问. And there is another way to arouse people's attention, and that is 你好. Okay, 你好. I know all of you already know 你好 means hello, but like I said in another video, 你好, usually we use it as a hello in a very formal situation, but most of the time we use 你好 as excuse me. Yeah, we just want to arouse people's attention. So if next time when you want to ask about something, or you just want to, arouse people's attention, you can say 请问 yeah, or 你好 and then you just say what you want to say or what you want to ask. So here, A says 请问今天几号? Alright, so here we have an expression to ask about the date. 今天几号? Right, 今天几号? What's the date today? So, what's the date today? And usually when people say 今天几号, you can just say, let's say today is 9th. So, 今天9号. Okay, 今天9号. It's 9th today. Okay, or you can also tell people 今天, let's say 10月9号. Right, 今天10月9号. 月, like I talked in vocabulary parts, it means month. So it's October 9th. Alright, 今天10月9号. And of course, instead of only asking 今天几号, you can make the sentence, the question longer, like 今天几月几号? Okay, 今天几月几号? Then the question literally means today, which month, which day. Alright, today, which month, which day. So here, 几 means which. Okay, which. Alright, I will mark it here. So, now, I want to ask you, 今天几号? 今天几号? And your answer could be different because it depends on when you're watching my video. Alright? So, for example, 今天, I will say 今天 是1月9号 ，OK， 今天1月9号 ，OK， it's 9th of January, okay, all right, good. So instead of 今天 we can also ask about yesterday. How to say yesterday? Yesterday is 昨天 yesterday. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is 明天 tomorrow. Yeah? So you can have different questions like 请问昨天几号 Yeah? 请问昨天几号 好 What's the day? What was the day yesterday? Yeah? What was the day yesterday? Or 明天几号明天几号 So, what is the day tomorrow? Yeah, what is the day tomorrow? Okay. Next one. So here A says 请问今天几号 And B says 今天9月1号 Right? Like I mentioned in the vocabulary part, when we talk about month, we just add the number of the month in front of 月 Yeah, this 月 means month. So 9 month, which means September, the 9th month. Alright? 9月1号 So this 1st of September. And then A asks 今天星期几 Okay, 今天星期几 So here's another question to ask about time, but that's the day of the week. 星期几 Okay, 星期几 which literally it means week which. Okay, week which. So that's literal meaning, but the real meaning is what day is it today? Okay, what day is it today? So 星期几 星期 means week. So like I also mentioned in the vocabulary part, that was the first part of this lesson. 星期 means week, 几 which, so 星期几 which day. What day is it today? And for 星期 we have 7 days of a week, and it's also easy to form them. 星期一 that is Monday. 星期二 that is Tuesday, and so on. 星期三 Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday, but there is an exception. That is 星期天 Okay, 星期天 Sunday. So you can see we form Monday to Saturday by adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 after 星期, week number 1, week number 2, which means Monday, Tuesday, until 星期六 Saturday. But for Sunday, we have a special character for it, that is 天. 天 means day, so weekday. So that's an exception. So you have to remember that 星期 Sunday is not 星期七. Okay, so I will just note here. Give me a second. 星期七 星期七 That is wrong. Okay, that is wrong. We don't have 星期七. We only have 星期天. So if you want to ask what day is it today, then you just say 今天星期几. If it's Monday, 今天星期一. So if I want to ask about yesterday, then I would say 昨天星期几 So if today is Monday, so yesterday was Sunday. 昨天星期天 Alright? And what about tomorrow? 明天星期几明天星期几 So tomorrow is Tuesday. 明天星期二明天星期二 Alright? Okay. Let's come back to the conversation. And the B says 星期三 So today it's Wednesday, right? It's Wednesday today. Okay. So that's all for the first question. For the first conversation. Now let's move on to the second conversation. First of all, repeat after me. Listen to me. 昨天是几月几号？昨天是8月31号，星期二。明天呢？明天是9月2号，星期四。Alright, now repeat after me. 昨天是几月几号？昨天是8月31号，星期二。明天呢？明天是9月2号，星期四。Okay, so basically everything has been talked about from this conversation. That is, we have talked about yesterday, 昨天. We have talked about tomorrow, 明天. And we also talk about how to express month just by adding the number in front of month. And we also talked about how to express day just by adding the number in front of day. And we also have talked about how to express the day of the week. Just add a number after week. Yeah? So we can actually draw something like this. It's a table here. So we have different time units. The largest for now is 月. 月 means month. And then we have day. That is 号. Yeah, the day. And then we have day of the week. That is 星期. 星期. Right? So how to form different month, different day, and different day of week. For month, we add number in front of 月. Okay, number in front of 月. For day, we add number in front of 号. Number in front of 号. So for week, we add number after 星期. Okay, we add number after 星期. Just remember, there is a special case that is Sunday. Yeah, Sunday we have 星期天. Yeah, we don't add number anymore. Okay, 星期天. That is Sunday. Okay, Sunday. Alright. And remember, when we talk about date, you can use 是 here. Just like 今天是. I will place it here. For example, 今天是, let's say, 8月1号. Right? You can use 是, which means is, but you don't have to use it. You can also say 今天8月1号. Right? So remember, when you are talking about time, you can use 是. You don't have to use it. Alright? So I will leave a homework here. Write 12 months in Chinese and write 31 days in Chinese. And another one should be write 7 days of the week in Chinese. And tell me 今天几月几号星期几 Okay, that's your homework for this part. Tell me 今天几月几号星期几 It depends on when you're watching this video. And leave your answer under the video. Alright? So, that's it. That's the second conversation. So I will explain it one more time. 昨天, yesterday, 是几月几号? Yeah, so what was the date yesterday? 昨天是8月31号. So yesterday it was August 31st. 星期二, Tuesday, right? The second day of the week. 明天呢? What about tomorrow? This "ne" actually is very common when we ask about the same type of question to people. For example, since A asked about yesterday's date, and then A wants to ask about the same type but refers to tomorrow. So we use "ne" to, to replace the whole question here. For example, 我是 okay, so I will write here 呢 yeah, to repeat the same question, or let's say to repeat the question. How would I put it? I would say to ask about something else on the same topic. Yeah, let's say on the same topic. And we just add it at the end of the sentence. Yeah, no, which means what about? For example, 今天星期一 today. 今天 sorry. 今天星期一明天呢? So it's Monday today. What about tomorrow? Okay, 明天呢? It's Monday today. It's Monday today. What about tomorrow? Or you can also use 呢 like 我是 我是 Charlie. 你呢? I'm Charlie. What about you? So since this sentence is about name, so when I say 你呢, I'm asking about your name, right? So the same topic, but somebody else. I'm not asking about me anymore. I'm talking about you. 我是 Charlie. 你呢? Another situation, for example, 今天是1月8号。昨天呢？今天是1月8号。昨天呢？ So it's January 8th today. What about yesterday? All right? Okay. That's it. So 明天呢? A says 明天呢? What about tomorrow? 明天是9月2号，星期四。So tomorrow is September 2nd, Thursday. All right, that's it. Now let's move on to conversation 3. First, listen to me. 明天星期六，你去学校吗？我去学校。你去学校做什么？我去学校看书。Alright, now repeat after me. 明天星期六，你去学校吗？我去学校。你去学校做什么？我去学校看书。Alright, so here, all the new words, we have already talked about all the new words here in the vocabulary part, so I won't repeat it. Let's just analyze the text here. 明天星期六, so tomorrow it's Saturday. 你去学校吗? Are you going to school? But I still want to say it one more time. Still remember 去学校 indicates go to school as a location. So you only go to the school, the building, right? But there's another expression 去上学. 去上学 it means go to school as a function, which means you go to school to study as a student, right? So here A asks 明天星期六你去学校吗? Are you going to school? Tomorrow it's Saturday. So I'm only asking about the location, right? Because I know tomorrow it's a day off. You don't have to go to school to study, right? So B says 我去学校. Yes, I'm going to school. And then A asks 你去学校做什么? So here we have this expression 做什么?做什么 means do what. Yeah, 做什么 do what, right? For what? Or you can just understand it as why. Why are you going somewhere? So the structure here is 你去 plus a place, and then 做什么, right? What it means, what are you going to do there, right? What are you going to do there? So remember, this place should be placed after 去, and then doing what at the end of the sentence. So we have this. For example, 你去饭馆做什么? 你去饭馆做什么? If you don't know 饭馆, it means restaurant. I will mark it purple. 饭馆, restaurant. So if you don't know 饭馆, it means restaurant. So the sentence means why are you going to the restaurant? Right? Or you can say you're going to the restaurant doing what? Yeah, what are you going to do in the restaurant? Okay, then you can answer 我去饭馆吃饭. Right? 我去饭馆吃饭. So I'm going to the restaurant to eat. I'm eating there. Alright, I will just translate like this. 我去饭馆吃饭. Okay. Another situation, another example. 你去, let's say, 学校做什么? Right? 你去学校做什么? So, why are you going to school? Right? Then you say 我去学校拿书. Okay? 拿书. Okay. So here, if you, I will give you pinyin first. 我去学校拿书. If you don't know this character 拿, it means to take. Okay, it means to take. I will mark it in green. So it means I'm taking my book there, right? Or I'm taking my book back there. Right? No, this is not good translation. So it means I'm going to school and take my book. Yeah, I'm going there and take my book. Yeah, maybe you have left a tear and you just want to take it back. 我去学校拿书. So 拿 means to take. Alright. So here 你去学校做什么？我去学校看书. So B is going to school to read. Okay, that's it. Alright, I will leave some homework here for you. So your homework today is make 3 questions, not questions, conversations using 你去, so using this structure. Yeah, so you have to ask someone, why are you going there? What are you going to do there? And the second person should answer, I'm going there to do something else. Yeah, to do something there. All right, so you need to make 3 questions. And of course, in this conversation, you can give him more information like, let's say, on Monday, why are you going to school? Right? Or next month, why are you going to that restaurant? Or what are you going to do in that restaurant next month? So you can add more information to the sentence to make it longer. Yeah, try to use all the language we have already learned today to make this conversation. All right, so that's all for this part. If you like my video, please give me a like button and subscribe to my channel. We see each other next time. Bye bye.